Good morning, children, and welcome to Tuesday. We are continuing to think about making equal groups. This time the focus is on grouping, okay? With grouping, you are given a total and then make groups of an equal amount from that actual total, okay? And hopefully you've got your 20 cubes or small objects because we're going to use those to help us really see what that means. Or remind us, I should say. So, like I said, let's get those 20 cubes or 20 small objects and complete the sentences together, okay? Because I can make equal groups of 2. I can make equal groups of 5. I can make equal groups of 10. I won't know how many of those I can make until I start to do it, with my focus being I've got my total of 20 and I'm just going to pull out groups of 2 all the time until they're all gone. And that will tell me how many I can make equal groups of 2. So feel free to give that a go, okay? Because I'm going to show you how I've managed to do it myself as well. So again, it's, feel free. You've got your 20, just pull out those equal groups of whether it's the 2, 5, and 10 to see what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to give you a bit of time to look at that. I'll say a bit of time. Feel free to take your time, or you can watch what's coming next and go from there and have it match. Okay, so here I can make 10 equal groups of 2, because if you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I can make 4 equal groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's the 5. There's the 2. I can make 2 equal groups of 10. 1, 2. Okay, that's how I've been able to group out my amounts using my total. Okay, feel free to show me yours as well and how you've got on. You're going to get the chance now to see a video to also remind you of the grouping, okay, in a bit more detail. Now, as you know, you've got your good old get ready video. If you want to just crack on straight away and get to the let's learn, feel free to go from 37 seconds, okay, and keep going up until 5 minutes and 43 on that video, and then come back to me. What's nice about the video today, it does kind of touch on the touches on the number line, which again you would have worked out, which you would have worked with, when you were doing your multiplying. You do see some repeated subtraction, which also links into division, but you also see the jumps going forward that you've been used to, and it will help today when we think about the dividing sheet you'll be doing. Right, so here's your task. Pencils come in packs of 20. I need to put 5 in each pot. How many pots will I need? Complete these sentences in your book. To show you what I mean, laid it out for you. A date here, 9.2.21. Grouping is what we're doing. There are pencils all together. There are pencils in each pot. There are pots. What's going to go in there? What's going to help you work it out? Because we are now not sharing anymore. We are grouping. We already have an amount. We need to find out from that amount how many groups of X you can do. Give it a go. Now, once you've finished giving that activity a go, we're going to be looking at dividing on page 34. So let me get my book while you get yours. And here it is. Okay, so here we are. Let's focus here. We can see dividing is the same as sharing. Divide 15 crowns into 5 equal groups. How many crowns are in each group? So you can see here, we've got our groups, we've got our crowns, and we can see that there are 3 crowns in each group. And we know that as a number sentence, calculation sentence, 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And that symbol, means divide. Okay, use a number line to divide. There are 10 socks. Work out 10 divided by 2. So again, you start at your 0 and count right, okay, in groups of 2. See that they're there? Good stuff. There are 5 groups of 2 socks. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Okay, always take a look at the page again if ever you need to. And your task, okay, look carefully at that Look carefully at that page. So, question 1, divide the buttons into 10 equal groups. And then think about the question that needs to go in here. How many buttons are in each group? What numbers will complete this number sentence for a division calculation? Now, the question 1 is what you would consider to be. Question 1 and 2 could be a little bit trickier, with question 3 being much harder for some of you. But, still give it a go and see how you get on. You do have the other sheet next to you in relation to page 34 if you need that reminder about the number line. Because question 2 is use the number line to work out 15 divided by 3. And then to finish, friend Helen has 30 books. She divides it into 3 equal piles. How many books are there in each pile? So again, you're not grouping, you're probably doing a sharing. So what you're going to do, you can maybe do 3 circles, share it out, or can something else help you work out that answer? Give it a go. Okay, feel free to pause here while you give it a go in your books, or you can continue all to hear all the activities and come back to it to tackle how you wish. Now, challenge to finish. Mrs. Green has 18 sweets. She puts 3 sweets in each bag. How many bags can she fill? What's going to go here? So, give it a go. Let's see what you can do with this challenge to get our answer.